Step instructions, Paternoster rig. Whatever weight the minimum weight you can use to get to the bottom. I'm in 50 meters here. You'll notice how I've got that hook sitting out the side, everything else is buried in, and I'm going to do the tail here. Tail's a little bit different. I go all the way through. Alright, pull the hook all the way through. You want to use fresh, good pillies. There's a place in Coolum I get them from, in the industrial estate. Good people. Alright, through like that, and then I half hitch it, which means I'm going to grab the line, twist it, sink it in between my knees, and put it over the top of the hook, and that stops the hook from coming away. Bait presentation was probably the first thing that I learned that it helped me catch fish. I use an overhead all the time, guys, because you don't get twist in your line. Even if your drag's set and you're dragging it back in against the drag, it's not going to twist the line. Whereas an egg beater, if the drag's pulling and you're turning your handle, all you're doing is twisting the line. And so I get a lot less line twist. This is not an expensive reel. It's called a Shimano TLD 15. 50 meters of water. I've pulled some big fish in, easy. 1.2 meter cobia, some sharks, adequate. It's a 40-pound braid, and attached to my braid I then have a leader, which is, in this case, it's a 50-pound leader to a snap. Then I go and put my Paternoster on. That way, if my Paternoster breaks off, I can just snap another one straight on. Fishing's all about keeping your bait in the water. You can't catch fish unless your bait's in the water. The fish don't care what brand your rod is, the fish don't care what brand your reel is, but if you buy decent stuff, it'll last longer. But if you're just starting, buy cheap stuff. It'll be more than enough. Now I've got something showing up on my sounder now. I'm expecting a bite as soon as it hits the bottom. Sometimes I get a little bit spooked as it hits the bottom. I notice I've just undone my drag again. And I'll have a bit of a look around and then wait until the coast is clear. And there's one bait gone just then, didn't swallow it, means the fish is small. That's a problem with pillies, they don't hold on as well, but you definitely get 10 times more bites on pilchards than you do on... Right, I'm on. You get 10 times more bites on pilchards than you do on... Oh, drop deads. Right, swimming up, one of the two. They're still on. You keep the pressure on the line. Even though I'm using circle hooks, they can spit them. It doesn't feel very big, but it's first fish where I've just parked anyway. Second fish for the day. Besides the liveys. What have we got here? Oh, it's a little snapper. It's only small, he's got to go back, but I'm not expecting to see. It's kind of striped. Oh guys, I'm not a fish expert. Some type of snapper. It's kind of got these stripes on it. Obviously too small. Nice little fish though. He's going back. Little, least damage as possible. Sometimes you get them up. They'll have like an air pocket hanging out of their mouth. You need to pop that so they don't die. Reefs 2 reels. Yeah, it's a good start.